Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a DIY homemade shampoo recipe that deeply cleanses the hair and scalp without drying it out. It strengthens the hair, adds volume, soothes irritation, and even helps stimulate hair growth while preventing hair loss. Recently I tried washing my hair with ghassoul clay, and while I loved the extra volume, it left my hair matted and rough. So I decided to combine the benefits of ghassoul clay with a gentle shampoo formula, and the result is amazing. In this video, I will take you step by step through the recipe and show the shampoo's consistency, how it forms, and the final results on my hair, so stay tuned. Let's make the shampoo. Start with herbs of your choice. I'm using calendula flowers for shine and volume, nettle, thyme, and rosemary to strengthen hair, stimulate the scalp for faster hair growth, and prevent hair loss. Pour distilled water over the herbs, cover the jar, and place it in a water bath for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally, but don't let the water boil. Once infused, strain using a cheesecloth and strainer to remove all particles. We need 317 grams of infusion. Now separate 70 grams of the infusion into another container and mix in 20 grams of ghassoul clay. Set it aside. Next, dissolve 1.5 gram of allantoin in the still warm infusion for soothing properties. Then add 4 grams of xanthan gum and blend well to create a smooth gel-like consistency. While the infusion is still warm, mix in 25 grams of lauryl glucoside, followed by 100 grams of capryl glucoside. Those gentle surfactants cleanse without stripping moisture and create a stable foam. Stir gently to avoid foaming at this stage. Now add 25 grams of glycerin for extra hydration. Mix it well and then add ghassoul clay mixture. For fragrance, I'm using Fir Needle essential oil, which blends beautifully with the earthy scent of ghassoul clay. But you can use any essential oil of your choice. I added about 50 drops. Next, it's time for the preservative. Use 15 to 20 drops for every 100 grams of shampoo. Mix well all ingredients. Finally, we need to adjust the pH. The initial pH was around 7, so I added a few drops of lactic acid to bring it down to about 5. After a final mix, transfer your shampoo to a clean and disinfected bottle. All ingredient measurements are in the description box below. This shampoo can be stored for up to 6 months, but I recommend using it within 3 months. Always do a patch test if you are trying new ingredients, especially if you have sensitive skin. The final shampoo has a smooth, perfect consistency, not too thick, not too liquid. Once mixed with water, it creates a silky, luxurious foam that feels amazing on the skin. This recipe also works as a gentle face and body wash, leaving the skin clean without dryness. As a bonus tip, it's an excellent shaving gel. It creates a slippery coating, similar like a conditioner, for a smooth shave without cuts. I always shampoo twice. The first wash breaks down dirt and excess oil. The second wash gives a proper deep cleanse. And as you can see, the shampoo creates an incredible thick foam. It was actually crazy. But even with all that foam, my hair doesn't feel dry at all. After rinsing, I used only a vinegar rinse, no conditioner, and my hair feels soft, smooth, and incredibly shiny. Would you try this shampoo? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!